Welcome to our comparison of the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the M2PRO gimbal stabilizers. In this video, we will explore the key features of each product, including stabilization capabilities, pricing, and overall functionality. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a casual user, understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT features a professional-grade 3-axis stabilization system, ensuring smooth and stable footage even in dynamic shooting conditions. In contrast, the M2PRO offers a 2-axis stabilization system, which, while effective, may not provide the same level of stability as the XPRO. This difference is crucial for users who prioritize high-quality video production. When it comes to pricing, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT is priced at $115, reflecting its advanced features and professional capabilities. On the other hand, the M2PRO is a more budget-friendly option at $59, making it an attractive choice for casual users or beginners. This significant price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and intended use. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT comes equipped with an OLED display, magnetic RGB fill light, and advanced features like face tracking and gesture control, catering to professional filmmakers. In contrast, the M2PRO offers a versatile 4-in-1 design that includes a selfie stick and AI face tracking without the need for an app, making it user-friendly and portable. Depending on your filming needs, these features can significantly impact your choice. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the M2PRO have their unique strengths. The XPRO is ideal for those seeking professional-grade stabilization and advanced features, while the M2PRO is perfect for casual users looking for a versatile and affordable option. We hope this comparison has helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.